So far we have learned about the type tool, the area type tool and the type on a path tool. But you will also find other variant of the type tool in the dialog box that pop up when you click and hold the mouse button on the type tool icon on the toolbar. These are vertical type tool, vertical area type tool, vertical type tool on a path tool. First we are going to look into the vertical type tool. The vertical type tool is like the type tool, but using this you can write vertically on the artboard. Just click anywhere and start writing, and whatever you write will be written vertically and not horizontally like the type tool. Similarly, the vertical area type tool is like the area type tool, but only with a difference. The difference is that you can write vertically inside any shape or object that you draw using the vertical area type tool. So if you draw a circle and click on its path, you can write vertically inside the circle. And the last variant is vertical type on a path tool. Using this tool, you can write vertically on any path that you draw. It is similar to type on a path tool, but unlike the type on a path tool which you use to write horizontally, the vertical type on a path tool will let you to write vertically on the path.